to Think Max. We are in class 10 Max, chapter 10, Circles. In this session, we are going to discuss about the basic concepts in circles. It is just simple. You have to know about the tangent and circle, their properties. First, let us learn the relationship between circle and a line. What is a circle? So it is nothing but collection of all points in a plane which are at a constant distance. Constant distance is radius from a fixed point. So this is a circle and this is center point. So O is the center point. How the circle is formed? It is a collection of all points. So these are all points. So collection of all points in a plane. So these points are at a constant distance from the center. So from the center, so these points are at a constant distance. So it is called radius. This constant distance is called radius. This radius will be same. This constant. So this will be same. So if you join all these points, it will form a circle. So it is a collection of all points in a plane which are at constant distance from a fixed point. So from the center, these points will be at a constant distance. This constant distance is called radius. Okay. So this radius will be same. So if you join all these type of points, then it will form a circle. Now this PQ. PQ is a line. So there are three types here. So here if you check this line and this circle, it doesn't touch anywhere. It is called non-intersecting. The line PQ and the circle doesn't touch. So it is called non-intersecting. Okay children. So this is a type of non-intersecting. Now next one. Here if you check. So there is a circle here and the circle touches the line at 2 points. So the circle touches the line at 2 points A and B. So if a line touches the circle at 2 points, then it is called secant. Okay. So if the line touches the circle at 2 points, then it is called secant. Now what is this? Here the line touches the circle at only one point. So this point is P. I'm sorry. So this point is P. So the line touches the circle at one point P. So if a line touches the circle at only one point, then it is called tangent. Okay. So there are three types: non-intersecting, secant and tangent. What do you mean by non-intersecting? If the circle and line never touches, so there is no intersecting point, then it is called non-intersecting. If the line touches the circle at 2 points, then it is called secant. If the line touches the circle at only 1 point, then it is called tangent. So point of contact here it is 0 and the point of contact here it is 2 and the point of contact here it is 1. Okay. So according to that, its name is non-intersecting. If the point of contact is 0, if the point of contact is 2, it is called secant. If the point of contact is 1, it is called tangent. Okay. So moving on to the next one. So these are all properties of the tangent to a circle. So we learned what is a tangent. What do you mean by tangent? Tangent to a circle is a line that intersects the circle at only one point. So the tangent should intersect the circle at only one point. So according to that, number of tangents at a point to the circle is. So this is a point. So this point, at this point, how many tangents can we draw? We can draw only one tangent. So if I draw some other line, so if I draw like this line will not be a tangent. So if I take another line here, so this line will not be a tangent. It touches at another point. So this is not a tangent. So this line touches the circle at only one point. So number of tangents at a point to the circle is 1. Next one, number of tangents parallel on a single circle. So this is one tangent. So for this tangent, how many tangents will be parallel? So we can draw a parallel line here. So in this way, we can draw a parallel line. So this line meets the circle at Q. So where can we draw another parallel line? So we can draw a parallel line here. But this is not a tangent. So we need only tangent. This is a secant because it touches the circle at 2 points. So if we draw any line in between, it will be a secant. So there will be only 2 parallel tangents. So number of tangents parallel on a single circle is 2. Next, number of tangents parallel to a secant on a circle. So there is a secant. Secant means it will touch the circle at 2 points. So where can we draw parallel? So we can draw a parallel here. So this is a tangent. So this line is secant and this is a tangent. Another tangent we can draw here. So this is another tangent. Where can we draw any other tangent parallel to this secant? We cannot draw a tangent here because it will meet the circle at 2 points. So they are asking number of tangents parallel to a secant. So for a secant, we can draw only 2 tangents. So answer is 2. Okay. So I hope you can understand this property. So moving on to the next page. The common point of a tangent and the circle. So a tangent touches the circle at only 1 point. So this point may be P. This P is called point of contact. The point P is called point of contact. Okay. CONTACT. Next, fifth question. The tangent is said to dash the circle at common point. What does the tangent do at the common point? It will touch. So the tangent is said to touch the circle at common point. So the answer is touch. Next one. Number of tangents to a circle passing through a point lying inside the circle. So, how many tangents are there for a point lying inside a circle? So, for a point lying inside a circle, I am going to try to draw a tangent. Is it a tangent? No, because it touches the circle at 2 points. In this way, no. So, because it touches the circle at 2 points. This way, no. Because it touches the circle at 2 points. So, if a point is inside the circle, we cannot draw a tangent to touch this point. Okay. So, number of tangents to a circle passing through a point lying inside the circle. So, if a point is inside the circle, if we draw a line through this point, it will not be a tangent. So, the answer is 0. Next, number of tangents to a circle passing through a point lying on the circle. So, this is a circle. Okay. So, there is a point here lying on the circle. How many tangents can we draw? It is only one tangent because at one point we can draw only one tangent. So, if we draw some other line, it will not be a tangent. So, number of tangents to a circle through a point lying on the circle. Next, number of tangents to a circle through a point lying outside the circle. So, let me erase this. So, there is a point lying outside the circle. So, this is a point lying outside the circle. We have to draw from this point tangents. So, what we have to do? So this is one line. Another line, we have to touch the circle at one point and pass through this point. Okay, so how do we draw another tangent? So shall we draw in this way? So this is not a tangent. So as it passes through the circle at more than one point, this is not a tangent. So from a point outside the circle, we can draw only two tangents, not more than this. So these are all properties of the tangent. So number of tangents to a circle through a point lying outside the circle. So from the outside, we can draw two tangents to the circle. Number of tangents to a circle passing through a point lying on the circle. So lying on the circle, we can draw only one tangent. Number of tangents to a circle passing through a point lying inside the circle. So if it is inside the circle, we cannot draw tangents through this point. So it is 0. So outside the circle, it is 2. Okay, children, I hope you can understand these properties. So these are the basic concepts in circles. In the next video, we will learn about the theorem 10.1. Okay, children, thank you. Thank you for watching. So if you like the video, just share among your friends and subscribe to my channel to show your support. Thank you. Bye-bye.